you already have the Farmer's Fridge app downloaded? Great. I'm going to show you how to pick up a mobile order. Once your order is ready, it'll appear here on the home screen. Once you're in front of the fridge, open to begin. You can select Begin Touchless Pickup, and you can find your Touchless Pickup code here in the bottom right corner of the screen. Enter in your code and click Done so the fridge can begin vending your order. Grab your order and enjoy. You can also feel free to help yourself to utensils located on the side of the fridge. When finished with your meal, you can recycle your empty jar right back at the fridge or drop it off in any standard recycling bin.